Welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. We are getting ready to make the amazing dish. You can call it a dessert, you can call it a bread. I call it delicious. You only need 3 ingredients, and even kids can do it. It is absolutely amazingly delicious. You're going to need some crescent rolls. You're going to need some cream cheese. You can have flavored cream cheese. You can have cheesecake cream cheese, blueberry, peach, strawberry, whatever you want. You'll need some kind of preserves. I'm using strawberries preserves. Use whatever kind you want to use, but this is what I'm doing. First thing you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. But before we get started, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me here today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. For those of you all who are returning, thank you so much for coming and spending time with me again in my kitchen. Channel members, thank you so much for your loyal, faithful support. First things first, let me give credit where credit is due. This is not my recipe. I saw this on IG, made it, and I had to come and make it for you. So here we go. All right, you're gonna need some parchment paper and a cookie sheet. I've got a large cookie sheet, but you can also make this as large or as small as you want it to be. I'm gonna make a big one. Yes. Okay, so first thing we need to do is get our parchment paper out because we're going to work right on the parchment paper. Then we're going to slide it onto our tray. So I'm going to get a nice size piece of parchment paper out here. So give you all a little hint. When you're using parchment paper, especially when you have a nice size piece, a large piece, and it curls up on the end like that and keeps rolling and you can't do nothing about it to keep it flat, just flip it over. Flip it over. There's no right side and wrong side to parchment paper. Once you flip it over, there you have it. Okay, so we're going to get started. Make sure you guys can see everything. There is a little square in the lower right hand corner of your device. If you click that, it will expand the whole device and it'll open up what you're looking at. So go ahead and get your crescent rolls open. I'm gonna open one can at a time. I may need a spoon for this if it doesn't pop on me. Let's see. Let me grab a spoon, I'll be right back. Okay, now the cans that I have 8 in them. You can also do this with the mini crescent rolls as well. First thing we need to do is get them separated. So just roll them out and then you want to separate them. You can pull them off as you go as well, which is what I plan to do. So just wherever you see the dotted lines, just go in and separate them. Once you have them separated, you want to take them and starting at the top of your parchment paper, just put them down just like a triangle. And I will bring you guys in closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, just continue on the pattern just the way we have it, making sure you overlap them as you go. Make sure they are overlapped. Total of 16 crescent rolls. So now you want to go in and press them together all the way down, making sure they connect. Making sure they connect, not the pointed side, but the bottom side. Just take your fingers and press them together. How easy is that? Oh my goodness. Doesn't have to be even. Now we're going to go in with our cream. I'm using just regular cream cheese spread because that's what I like. But feel free to use the flavored kind if you want. You just want to put some on here. We're going to spread this out. We got to get it off the spoon first. Just put some here and there. Then we're going to go back in and spread it out and fill it in where we may need to. And again, with the cream cheese as well as your fruit topping, you can put as much or as little as you want on there. Now we're going in with our fruit spread right on top. This is why I got the squeezable kind. It's just a little bit easier to put it on there. So I'm going to start right here so you guys can see it, but I'll still have to do the top half. And you just want to go down and squeeze it on. If you don't buy the squeezable kind, you will have to spread it on. So now we're just folding this over and tucking the tips under. Just like that, all the way down. Fold it over, tuck your tips under. Just like this. Lift it up a little bit. You want to carefully take the top half of it and just fold it over into the shape of a candy cane. Carefully take it over. Okay, so we are going to bake this in a 350-degree oven until it's nice and golden brown, about 15 minutes, and we'll be back. Ooh, okay, we are all out of the oven. I'm gonna brush some melted butter on top, but look at that candy cane. Oh my goodness. But you wanna go in and, like with any other bread or rolls, just brush the bread part with some melted butter. If you guys could smell this, oh my goodness. Of course, we gotta do a taste test, and I'm gonna show you guys up close again once I get the melted butter on. All right, if you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you once again for stopping by and hanging out with me today here in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. This is only 3 ingredients, but I will still leave them down in the description, which is right below the video while you're watching it. You'll see a paragraph while I start talking about this beautiful candy cane and the word more. Click more. It'll expand the field, and you should be able to see all the information down below. Okay, I can't tilt this too much. It's not that hot anymore. But let me see what I can do. Oh my goodness. Look at this candy cane. Isn't this amazing? Oh my goodness. Ooh, let's get us a little taste test off of one of the ends. I think I need a knife. Ooh, let me see if I can just cut a little piece off the end right here. Oh my goodness. Maybe I can show you the inside as well. Ah, it smells so amazing. Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Ooh, I'll turn it this way so you guys can, maybe you can see the inside. It just looks like a regular old crescent roll on the inside. Can you see that? You can see some of the filling going down in there and that cream cheese. Oh my goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Ooh, all I need is me either a glass of milk or a cup of coffee. Oh. The butteriness from the crescent rolls. They were already the buttery kind, and then I put more butter on top. You all have got to try this. It's quick, it's easy, and it's fun. Delicious. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.